Hey guys, welcome back. This is Datus, and today this is not a special video. I'll just be telling you about what is what. And by that, I mean I will be telling you about how to install and work with the Google Classroom app, how to hand in the documents correctly, like not share with your class, but actually we're talking about doing hand in option, all right? So the most common thing I'll be doing is that I'll be having this whole not this is not a brief making of the video. I'll be doing a detailed video about how to make that PDF and how to compress that PDF and how to submit it in Google Classrooms to the assignment the teacher has given you. Alright, so we're at the moment on my computer screen, which is right here, right? August 13th. So it is late at night, that's why it's saying me good night. I've set my computer like that. So what I will tell you will be like in this. So right, so here are the timestamps. So this is when I will teach you how to create a PDF. This is where I will tell you to how to compress a PDF, and this is where I'll be telling you how to submit. And this, my guys, is a special point of view where I'll be telling you a secret video, a secret about the teachers. All right, so let's just continue it. I hope that you guys will enjoy it, and if you've not yet subscribed to the channel, I'd say that you do it right now. And I usually don't post video like this. I'm more a gamer guy. Many times people do what they are meant to do, right? So they don't compress the PDF, and when they're uploading it in G Classroom, and the problem would be like, hey bro, it takes years to upload. And first of all, bro, your connection is very dead. It's dead. At least use 1 megabytes per second, alright? And when your connection is good, you should compress it without losing the quality. That is why I'm going to tell you how to compress it without losing any kind of quality. And this video will also be available in Hindi, alright? So if you want this video in Hindi, अगर आप ये वीडियो हिंदी में चाहते हैं तो कमेंट सेक्शन में मेरे को बोलिए कि मेरे को ये वीडियो हिंदी में देखना है, तो मैं इस वीडियो को हिंदी में डब कर दूंगा, which I'll be using in the description, and I'll tell you more about the whatever stuff we're doing down in the video. So yeah, I guess I should not waste further of your time, even if I was wasting, even if I was not, but I guess this is it. And mobile screen, cell phone screen, alright? So we'll meet you in the cell phone screen, guys. It is out. Alright guys, welcome to my mobile screen, and today, as I've already said on my computer screen, that we are going to learn how to use the Classrooms app. Alright, so first thing what you ought to do is download the Classrooms app. First of all, download this compressed PDF file. The link is down in the description as always. So compress this PDF file, alright, and then we need, of course, the Google Classrooms app. The link will be down in the description. So this is Google Classrooms app, right? And then we gotta get a PDF maker. Keep in mind that we need this one, alright, not anyone else. This one is the easiest thing I found, and it doesn't take a lot of time, and the ads are less frequent. I mean, come on. So what you ought to do now is open this image to PDF, alright? So this is a whole tutorial. We are making everything from making PDF to compressing PDF to uploading that so damn called PDF, alright? So when we're here, gallery, and I just gave my mathematics test today, so yeah, right, you gotta select this, done. You can crop this out, and when you do crop this out, do this, alright, that will crop it, right? This is used to rotate stuff, alright, and to sort it like this one, do this, just do it. I'm not going to send this to any of my teacher, that is why I'm doing random stuff right here, alright? So now you want to click this art file, and when you click it, you enter PDF file name. So I'll just write I wanted to write test there, but well, if it's yes, let it go yes. So you can do compression here. I would not suggest you to do it, but right, no compression. And when you've done it, right, so this is the made, alright, yes, PDF. It is 70.2.4 megabytes, alright. So now you want to go to compress PDF file. It'll load. First time might take long depending on your processor, and believe me, processors of mobile phones are really slow compared to the processors of computers. Like the one I have at the computer is actually really fast. Right, so now you want to go to DL image to PDF. That is a folder, right? DL image PDF, right? So now we find yet. It's an odd name, so we'll find it easily. So yeah, do it recommended compression, alright? It'll compress without losing quality. Okay, so when you do press compress, right, and the compress process will start. It might take some time, but saves your data, right? So yeah, it might take some time. So Like look at that. And depending on your processor, right? It's all depending on your processor. Might take 1 minute for you, might take 1 hour for you. Nah, won't take an hour. You might will not take even a minute, depending on your processors that I've already said, right? And if you're watching this not understanding English, and a Hindi video is coming soon, all right? I've already said that in the computer video. I wonder why I'm saying computer video. That's just my video. Anyways, and now save compressed file PDF, right? You don't want to do anything else but save compressed PDF, right? Right app, yeah, it's a good app. So next thing I want to do is open the Classrooms app. Alright, so now we're in Google Classroom. So what you want to do here from here is create a class to get started. Alright, so you want to do a join class. Of course, if you're a teacher, you might want to create class, but do a join class, and class code will be given to you. So this is my private class code. I've created a private class for the sake of the video. Alright, so now what you want to do is join. Right, so now when you've joined, right, this code will be given to you. If you are from my school, the PPT, whatever that is down in the description. Alright, so we've got this new assignment that is named TEST test. Right, so what you want to do is open this, put this up, right, assign. So we want to add an attachment here. Now you're not going to do anything to share with class. Most people do it. No, hell no, you're not going to do anything to share with your class. You're not a teacher, you're a student. So you want to attach your assignment, right? So new assignment test, click on that, swipe it up, and then you'd see an option named add attachment. So add attachment and a file. Most probably it can be a link if you've uploaded it to Drive. I don't recommend uploading it to Drive, so it can be messy for the teachers, right? So yeah, now that we're here, go to file manager, found storage. So everything that you've saved in the PDF compressor would be in a folder named PDF compressor. If you've not yet compressed anything and it is just non-compressed straight from the PDF maker, it will be in DL image to PDF, right? So PDF compressor and yes, yeah, that's the name. So now it's loading. It's actually uploading, so it might depend on your network speed, nothing to do with processor RAM here. So yes, and now that we've done it, I'll just wait a few seconds. Alright, it's done. Right, so what you want to do now is hand in. This is why your teachers say it. I've seen teachers say hand in. Don't do share with your class people. Do hand in. Yes, this is the hand in we need. Alright, so hand in. Okay, hand in. Right, so this work is handed in and it's done. Alright, this is what you need to do. So let me show you something secret. Right, so this is my class, and when I go back, I can tell you how teachers check this. Alright, so now that this is test, okay, this is new assignment. So I've got one student work. Alright, okay, 0, okay, 1 handed in and 0 assigned. Look at this, and when you've done this, right, so this is what it looks like to your teacher. Right, so they can just like give you marks and stuff. Right, so this is for today videos, guys. Oh yeah, return work. Yeah, you got full marks, bro. I got full marks actually. Yeah, give 10,000 out of 100. Yeah, that's really great for me. Right, return work, 1,000 out of 100. Yeah, that's really fine. 1,000 out of 100. I mean, well, this was fun stuff for you guys. So to meet you in another video. If you've not yet subscribed to do subscribe. I don't usually do these videos. I usually play Grand Theft Auto 5, Free Fire, Witcher. This is the horror games actually. I've done Outlast, I've done Devotion. So anyways, if you like the stuff, hit the like button. Right, remember to return your students to your work. Alright, okay, sorry. Okay, so meet you in another video, guys. Well, this is about it, guys. See you in another video. Datus out.